All in all, Jerry Berry at the largest waterfalls in Vietnam. I gotta tell you, this is super impressive, and it costs less than $2 to get in. Few tourists, but that's like they say the secondary one there. And then there's a pan round quick, so I don't bore you all. Here's the other one. Absolutely massive. Well worth the 2.5, 3 hours to get here. It's 30 degrees. A lot of touristy river boats. But check this out. Amazing, really is. And then the people, there you go. Just stunning. Not worth getting a boat trip really, because you can see it all from here. And then over there, that's China. So those people, I don't know if I can pan in on them, they watch it from there, and we're not allowed over there. But it's cheaper this side, a lot more chill. So there you have it. Thac Ban Gioc waterfalls, the highest in Vietnam, or the most powerful, and the 4th biggest to segregate 2 countries. So really worth coming here. There you go.